Hello there! In this video I will show you the DBJourney Essential Backpack 12 liters. An everyday backpack made from polyester, featuring a roll top design, an internal compartment for a water bottle, a laptop sleeve and patented DB technology, making it perfect for daily adventure or your normal workday. As always, everything arrived nicely and without any damage. First, let's unwrap the bag. My first impression is positive. The bag feels lightweight, yet sturdy. I really like the color. It gives the impression that the material will last a while and are also easy to clean. I purchased this because my Ramverk Pro backpack is a bit too large for everyday use. As a front-end developer, I only need to carry some essential tech gear. Specifically a laptop with charger, a water bottle and something like a sweater. For this, the Ramverk Pro was indeed too big. When we look at the details, it gets even better. It looks sleek and well finished. I must say, despite it being a roll top bag, I generally prefer a zip. I just hope it stays nice for a long time. Inside, you find a laptop compartment where my 16-inch MacBook Pro fits. Additionally, there's a pocket for your bottle. You can't fit very large bottles in it, but regularly sized bottles fit just fine. It doesn't have any padding or nubs at the bottom, but it does have a handle on the top. After a week in Scotland, I can tell you that I'm very pleased with it. It's just a nice, lightweight bag for daily use. For carrying some foods and drinks, it's ideal. I plan to make another video once I've gained more experience with it. Thanks for watching.